at year's end, when the clock hits 12, I rewind every trial I carry through these days. You sang your truth in crowded rooms, those songs you gave still blaze inside this place. Your light was blazing through the darkest nights, so when you're fading, I'll be there to remind. Don't you ever forget, oh, the fire, all the times you refused to fall, every tear, every late night choir, turn to sparks on the Sylvester wall. Raise your hands to the sky, we're golden, all the weight of the year, we're done. Hey, don't you ever forget your fire, 'cause your light is the rising sun. Some trains, we broke some plans, but look how far these tired feet have run. You wore your hope like second skin, even when you felt you'd come undone. Your light was blazing, even when you cried. So when you're shaking, I'll be right by your side. Don't you ever forget your fire, all the times you refused to fall, every tear, every late night choir, turn to sparks on the Sylvester wall. Raise your hands to the sky, we're golden, all the weight of the year, we're done. Don't you ever forget your fire, 'cause your light is the rising sun. We made it. We made it. We're alive. Every scar on your heart is a star tonight. We made it. Hands up high in the air, what you carried this year turns to color and flare. Don't you ever forget your fire, all the times you refused to fall, every tear, every late night choir, turn to sparks on the Sylvester.